So, things have happened. The time of my last video, which was around when they first added the Illuminate appropriators, I think. There have been a few things that have gone on. I've attempted to make numerous videos. I have since given up on all of those videos. Out of the two war bonds that I was debating getting last video, I ended up getting Masters of Ceremony. Here's a clip of my review of that. Alright, what's up? I'm back. You saw last video, I ended questioning which warbond I wanted to get, either Force of Law or Masters of Ceremony. So I got this one. Yeah, I ended up also, like, completing it immediately. Does mean now you get a super special ultra internet funny man warbond review. Wow. It's fine. I actually kind of like the stuff in this set. Like, I didn't expect this armor set to actually be as good as it is. The armor set looks fine. It's not too crazy, but it's not, like, lame either. It's fine. It's decent. The capes I really like. I have not used the saber at all because it's basically just a worse machete. Probably, I'm not sure. The amendment, I legitimately love this thing. This thing is really good. I actually really like this. The passive is surprisingly... I at least like the passive. Limb injury has been really helpful. It's only a 50-50, but it's been really helpful. It feels like it's probably that much. I don't know. The melee damage I haven't really seen because it's melee damage. Who cares? And the reload speed, I haven't really used anything that actually benefits from it, so I'm not sure. So that's neat. Other video I attempted to make was a really stupid, really not at all effective loadout called the Sextuple Freedom, where I took the Double Freedom, the Bushwhacker, and the Expendable Anti-Tank and combined it all into one loadout. It was pretty fun when I wasn't recording, but the moment I turned on my recorder, it ended up really not fun, no good, terrible experience. Also, my attempt at making a video just playing with the Masters of Ceremony weapons was just really boring. I also didn't do any practice beforehand, which meant I played like absolute ass the entire time. Since then, I've gotten the primary of that warbond maxed out though. So yeah, needless to say, I really like this thing. Other things that have happened since then, I went to a Slackjaw concert, or Slackjaw and Raven, and a third band that was just local to the area. It was pretty cool, actually. It was a really good experience, really fun, really great time. I bought a bunch of stuff. Got to talk to Soup, though he didn't understand a word that I was saying because my ears were shut and my throat was absolutely annihilated from yelling. But words were said. I also showed him a me that I made of him in Tomodachi Life, and his exact words were, "Heh, nice." On new planets, there's Brilliance, Luxuriance, and Big Rock. There are 2 people on Big Rock. I think the whole gimmick with this new biome is that it just looks nice, and that's kind of it. Whoa, and I am about to make it 10 times worse looking.
Objective equipment.
Why does this map feel so dark? I mean, it's fine, it's not just a little bit distracting, but... I got him, I think. I think I got him. What the? How?
Reloading! Requesting orbital strike.
Thank you, frame drops. I got him.
Calling in orbital strike. Reloading!
Dude, my frames have never been this bad.
Sending in an eagle.
That might be a bit bad. Okay, so I might need a more long-range loadout, because these things explode when they get hit. Might also not be the best idea to bring a flamethrower then. That is literally like, imagine incinerating a roach with a blowtorch and it literally explodes and melts your skin. He is going for it. Great. Love that just bounced that off a tree. Maybe it's just because all the bug stuff are on, but I feel like they kind of oversell this as like the most beautiful planet in all of existence. Or whatever they were saying, because this is, no.
Orbital strike.
Okay.
Calling in orbital. I got the terminal. Orbital inbound. Reinforcing. Mag's empty. Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Okay, so yeah, they explode after every time they die. Got it. And that is heavy armor now. That's great. Oh, that's... I got it.
I'll take it.
Why? Yeah, I might need something more long-range oriented. Or at least something faster. Nice, I love that I misclicked that 50 billion times. And I think I just killed my teammate.
Extraction is available. Say hello to democracy.
Yeah. The frame rate.
Oh, super!
Let the frame rate flow.
Requesting orbital strike.
Northeast. On my position.
Thanks, bud.
Preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds.
Baseball.